My name is Valentina Petrone and I'm the Managing Director of the Private Clinic of Harley Street. The Private Clinic is one of the leading providers of cosmetic surgery and aesthetic treatments in the UK. We have a flagship clinic in Harley Street, but we also have clinics throughout the UK, in Manchester, in Leeds, in Birmingham, in Bristol, in Northampton. We got clinics in Buckinghamshire, we got 2 more clinics in Harley Street. Also, a couple of years ago, we decided to invest in our own surgical facility, also in central London, so we have a state-of-the-art hospital in Fitzroy Square. The idea behind these hospitals was, on one end, to have the state-of-the-art latest technologies available, and also to be able to recruit the top consultants and surgeons in the country, so that they could provide the best treatment to our patients and high quality of care. We were established in 1983, meaning we have 35 years experience in this sector. And throughout these years, we have expanded our range of treatments, now spanning from non-surgical treatment all the way to plastic surgeries, with the intention always to find the latest technologies, the best techniques, and treatments that could have the minimum impact on our patients' lives. So, for example, at our Fitzroy facilities, we perform the vast majority of our treatment as day case, and this is thanks to a team of very competent anesthetists, and the fact that we look always for treatment that they are less invasive and they can be performed with less invasions on the patient's life, and also with reduced recovery time. And this is something we've done time and time again in the past years. We've done it for our patients with bunions. Our orthopedic surgeons have devised a very unique technique, which means less painful procedures and a shorter recovery time. We've done it with the varicose veins, with the hair transplant. So whenever we introduce a new treatment, we always look at what will be the safest options with our patients, the one which is most likely to achieve the results they're trying to achieve, and also with as little recovery and time off work and a social life as possible. The private clinic nowadays offer a very broad range of treatments. We're very specialized in body contouring, where we have options which go from the non-surgical co-sculpting and M-sculpt technologies all the way to liposuction, tummy tucks and body contouring procedures. We offer a full range of plastic surgery. Hair transplant is one of our area of excellence. Varicose veins treatments, bunions treatment was more recently introduced. And we offer a full range of non-surgical anti-aging treatments and dermatological treatments for the skin and for improving your complexion and your skin overall. With over 10,000 procedures performed in the past years, the private clinic has been recognized throughout these years with many awards. And this is very important to us, but actually what matters the most to us is the recognition we get from our patients. Patients' feedback is the most important thing to us, and we monitor our patient satisfaction in many ways. We ask our patients to let us know how they felt about their experience in the hospital, how they felt the treatment impacted on their life and the outcome of the procedures. And also we have a lot of reviews by Trustpilot, where actually we managed to achieve one of the highest ranking in our sector. So that is a way we continue to try to exceed and to meet what patients' expectations are.